welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? And welcome back to some more fails. You know, your boy loves fails. It's fails army video, but this time it's damn nature you scary, which means funny scary animal encounters in around the world. And yeah, and if you made it until here on this video, thank you for watching it. Please expand the channel. By that I mean share with your friends, family, your people you like, and get me to 1,000 subscribers. It would mean a lot. And let's get just right into the video. And what's up? Oh shit. Oh shit! You getting some bumpy ride roller coaster? Oh my G, the man, this thing got power. Okay. Oh, did he just broke the radiator and all that stuff in there? He fucked up the tire though. Oh my goodness. It's awesome. Let's go. Ugh. What's that? Eels?
Eel.
Eels. Thank you. Oh!
The duck got there.
Duck comes in the way. Fuck no. Oh! That was a big bear right there. Hello, Mr. Bear. Tools were unharmed, thank God. Oh my goodness. Oh! No, get the fuck out of there, bro!
He sees it. He sees it. Look at him.
Nice. You're so lucky. Swim faster! Okay, Mr. Horsey, do not. Okay, you're dead. You're dead. There you go. I'm sorry for that. Oh, my bro's in a problem.
Alright, here we go. 1 and 2.
Oh my goodness. Bro.
Jesus Christ Almighty!
Oh my goodness.
Snakes! Jesus Christ!
Oh my goodness. I hope he's fine. That's not funny.
I think we got a garfish, dude.
No, that's not crawfish. That's something bigger. I can tell.
Be careful, Evan.
That.
That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Oh, he has his son with him. Oh, excuse me, fishy. Just trying to help. Woo! Damn. Oh my goodness. Can't even be helpful anymore. I hate monkeys when they get angry. They get mad. I hate monkeys when they... Bro, pick up the child. The old man is not even picking up the child. Happening? Huh? Oh, there's a snake. Oh, God. My man didn't pick up the child. Oh, my goodness. The other dude had to. Damn, that's a mad one. Oh, that's my nightmare. Oh. Oh! No! Oh, my goodness. And you laughing?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What's that? Oh, there's a gator.
Careful here.
That you were at dinner just a few seconds ago, finding your own dinner. Oh no! Oh, he's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming. Oh, he falls. No! Oh my goodness! Tell me he's okay. Oh, he's okay.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Yes, just shut up and just go back home.
Get back.
Bro, you don't have to fish. Yep, you did. Oh, that's a mad one. That's a mad one, I can tell. There you go. Have more laughs, baby. Have more laughs. You do not mess with the Ellie.
When you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
You stupid shit. You show fear. What's that? Gator. Kruger. Oh! Damn, woman. Damn. Oh my goodness, I hope she's fine. That's out of nowhere. And that's a moose? Oh, she's mama. She's a mom. She has to be. Yeah, she has to be. Come on. It's not her fault. Hip her riding a horse, hip her riding a horse. There she goes. She's going back. Clump, clump, bum. Oh my goodness, that's painful.
I'm so glad I was recording.
This guy's such a douchebag. It's such a douchebag. Okay.
Big stick or something.
That's not a big stick. It's gonna be a big fish, my boy, and a scary one too.
Big
You're gonna
stick.
like. Angie, you're gonna like
It's
it.
heavy, whatever it is.
It's a big one, and you're gonna like it. I'm sure it's a gator.
That is not a stick. Oh my god.
Just listen to his.
Whatever it is.
That is not a stick. You can see its whole.
That
It's
is not
not.
a stick. Oh my god. That's not a stick
At
at all.
That's a gator. Just
Holy
cut the line. Just cut the line, bro.
Holy
Just cut the line.
my lord, holy moly.
Yeah, just cut the line, bro. It's no worth it fucking up with a gator. Or was it a
Wow, that
crocodile?
changes things.
I hope no, not in the woods.
Hey. Hey.
Is that a bear?
Hey.
Oh shit, you dead. Oh, it looks like a teenager. Yeah, that was not a big one, just a baby. There goes your thing. At least you caught it, and you're not dead. Huh? Octopus on crab. Yeah. Damn. Damn. A crab can literally pinch its fucking tentacles off. What? Oh, he's bringing him back to the water. Nice. He's like, shh, sleep, good night, baby girl. Oh, he just took it in. He's dead. Okay. Oh my goodness.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
Okay.
I
Oh,
promise
is that a
I'm not
puma?
gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm
Oh,
going away.
puma.
I'm going away. I'm going away.
Oh damn, he's like.
I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm not going away. I'm going away.
You mess with the catty,
I'm going
you
away.
get that
I'm not
fatty.
gonna bug you. I'm going away.
What? Did I miss something with a giraffe? Oh, whoa. Okay. Bitch much?
Leave it alone.
I have a
gun.
So you're saying a gun can fix any problem?
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking
That's a
on the
mother
trail.
with her two cubs. You
mom
don't
and two
wanna.
cubs. So
You
I'm
don't wanna get
continually
mad.
to walk backwards.
You don't wanna fuck up with a
The
mom.
mom and the cubs keep following me, and they're walking at least as fast as I am.
No. You don't mess with. Okay.
No, self move.
The tuna. I didn't get it. What's up?
Damn that shit.
You got the blood! Oh my goodness! But he's alive. He spit it out. That's weird.
Còn bám miệng nó đấy nhá. Ôi.
Oh! Oh! Shit, that's a baby. Oh, Coke, and you don't want to mess because the mom's right behind you.
Oh.
You're dead. You're dead. RIP, my G.
You. Oh. Oh.
Oh, that was a mom. You're dead. You never. Once you're in wild out there, you never mess with the mom. You never mess with a female, any sort of animal who has cubs or her children around her. That's the most dangerous animal you can ever encounter.
Get the away. Go away.
You're dead.
Go away. No.
Oh, damn. She mad.
No.
She mad.
You, dude.
Yeah, you too.
Holy.
Damn. Damn.
Yeah, get the away from me.
Well, she.
Face.
As soon as she thought her cub is in the safe territory, now she ran back. Nice. Now, thank you for watching. If you made it until here, thank you for watching this video, and once again, help me grow this channel a lot, and it'll mean a lot to me. You'll be just a better person than whatever you shit yourself right now. But yeah, until next time, keep smiling. I hope you have a better day and a better life ahead of you. And yeah, not much.